In this video, I'll show you how to create a GitHub repository from your Replit project. So here we are on the Replit dashboard, and what you want to do is from the home screen, you can just navigate to your recent app. And you can see mine over here. Otherwise, you can go into apps and check in there if you don't see the app you're looking for. So open it up, let everything load up, and then on the top next to preview, you'll see tools and files. And if you click on that and scroll down, you will see Git. Click on that. Now, if this is your first time, what you're going to need to do is connect to GitHub on the top right. You need to click on Install and Authorize at the bottom. We then need to verify our email. I think this will only happen the first time you connect. So I'll just check my email for a code and then type it in here and hit verify. And then once again, I'm going to have to click install and authorize. All right, now I need to create a remote repository or connect to an existing one. I'm going to go create. I'm going to name it after my website and just put in a random description. And then click on create repository on GitHub. And the last step is to push your branch. Now, I'm not going to do this because I am not actually going to pass this, but for you, you'll just click on confirm for this session. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.